Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you a quick tip which might come in handy if you use Vim as an editor and you probably open several files at once, and somehow without doing anything you want to close all that file at once. Okay, or if you write on several files and you want to save those writing in several files and close those files at once. Okay, to give you some sort of demonstration, a pretty nifty thing but important thing. Okay, let me go to my terminal. So I'm in a particular directory. If I open Vim with at least 2 flag, that O denotes open the file side by side pane. Okay, so I'm arbitrarily choosing 2 files, and okay, and let me open it. So both the files open side by side as you can see. Now for instance, if you want to close it, I have a mapping in my vMRC. So all I have to do, leader key is the semicolon key in my machine. It could be different to your machine, right? So leader and Q will close both the file at once. Okay, so what I have in my vMRC, sorry, I'm in a different directory, that's why. See, this is the binding I have in my vMRC, which helps me to close both the file at once. Okay, likewise, if I open to arbitrary file test1 and test2, now if I write something 1 and then I move to the next one and write 2, now I have written both the files, right? Now I want to save both the file at once. Again, I have a binding in my vMRC. Go to the normal mode and leader WA that save both the files. Okay, now if I do leader Q, close both the file, but it saved the content. You can verify. Test1, see, test2. So now prep okay, let me refine it. If I could find okay, so basically all I did, press leader, which is semicolon in my system, and WA, which will save both the files what has been written at once. So 2 things: to close a multiple file without written anything on it at once, you have to press leader Q, and that has to be mapped as I shown to you. And for writing in a multiple file and saving it, leader WA or whatever the keystrokes you give. Okay. Basically it invokes. If I open any file, I'm just illustrating it so you could get it properly. Okay, so basically leader WA does this command w all. So it will basically write both the file and the shortcut is leader WA. In my system, you could map it to some other. I'm still wondering. You see the first binding, right? First binding that I shown to you, W all. So it write once and quit. So these are the little things which might make things much more proficient for you if you're sitting in Vim and do a lot of work. So little binding which you probably encounter frequently. So you could map it out like this. I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.